Hello viewers, in this video we are going to learn how to find the equation whose roots are 2 over 3 and minus 1 all over 4, and this is quadratic equation. Now they give you the roots, they ask to find the equation of the quadratic equation, and it's all about step by step. Then remember that in a quadratic equation is in the form of, it is either x is equals to 2 over 3 or x is equals to minus 1 over 4. All is equals to 0. Then we can take it as we have x minus, if we take 2 over 3 to the right hand side, the left hand side, it will be minus 2 over 3. That is, you can take another equation here. We have x plus, when minus 1 over 4 take to the left hand side, turn to plus 1 all over 4. All is equals to 0. Then the next thing to do, we are going to simplify the two brackets. Then remember that in quadratic equation, we can simplify this as 3 times x. We have 3x minus 2, or we can simplify this as 4 times x. Here we have 4x plus 1 is equals to 0. And the next thing to do, now we can remove the brackets. We have 3x multiplied by 4x. Here we have 12x minus 3x times 4x. Here we have 12x. Then 3x times plus 1. Here we have plus 3x. Then minus 2 times 4. Here we have minus 2 times 4x. We have minus 8x. Minus 2 times 1. Here we have minus 2 is equals to 0. Then the next thing to do, now we are going to simplify the middle number. We have 12x squared. This is 12x squared because 3x times 4x is 12x squared. Here we have 12x squared. We have plus 3x minus 8x. 8x minus 3x. Here we have minus 5x. We have minus 2 is equals to 0. Then the next thing to do, now we reach the equation. Then you can go and compare the root of the equation you asked to find. That is the final result. This is the equation. If you simplify, you can get the answer as 2 over 3 or minus 1 over 4. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Bye bye.